Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get back old account that wasn't linked in eFootball. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've lost access to your old eFootball account that wasn't linked, don't worry, there's still a way to try and recover it. First, make sure your eFootball game is updated to the latest version on your device. Once updated, launch the game and tap on the Extras tab located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, go to the Support section and then click on the Linked Data option. Here, you can log into your account. Now, if your old account was not integrated or linked in some way, you can proceed to recover it. Head back to the Support page and tap on Services and Info option. Once you're inside, you'll see an option called General Contact. Tap on that and it will redirect you to the official eFootball support page. On this support page, scroll down until you find the option that says, I can't restore my account using a data transfer. Tap on that option, and then scroll down again and choose the same option when prompted. Now hit Next to continue. You'll be taken to a new page with detailed instructions. Carefully read through all of the information, scroll down, and tap Accept option. At this point, you'll need to select your region of residence, whether it's Europe, Asia, or anywhere else. After selecting your region, a new page will appear with additional instructions. Just follow everything shown on the screen, scroll through the details, and when done, tap on Next. Once this is completed, your request will be submitted and the eFootball support team will contact you regarding the recovery process. Just be patient and provide any extra information they might need to help retrieve your account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get back old account that wasn't linked in eFootball. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.